Have you gotten your invite to the Clubhouse? Tell me you have. It's a brand new iOS only app at the moment, and it's awesome for entrepreneurs and business owners. Let's take a look right now. So Amani Channel here. This is video for this where I help folks build video muscle. We're not talking about video this time though. We're talking about the brand new app called Clubhouse. It's been out for a little while. I just got my invite and I just now upgraded my iOS. So I finally got the app and I'm all in and set up. So I wanted to give you a first look. If you have gotten an invite, maybe if you're still trying to navigate or you really haven't dug into the app yet, or if you're looking to get an invite, you just want to see what all the madness or all the hype's about. All right, so this is the app right here, Clubhouse. It's on the bottom left here. And let me take you back because I'm going to tap on the top left, the top right image here so you can see my thumbnail. So you can set up your thumbnail, of course, your handle. You can see how many followers you have, how many people you're following. I just followed like whoever was in my phone that was on the app. Write a little description. They can also add Twitter and Instagram as links, which I haven't done yet, but I probably will. I'm just getting started with the app, all right? So I haven't really done that. And we're going to tap on the gears here. Some of this I haven't done. All right, so this has notifications. I disabled my notifications. It has a FAQ, what's new. And you can also, once again, connect to your social accounts here, community guidelines, etc. Or you can log out of the app. If you go to the app, you can send a verify email. Okay, so I'm not gonna do that right now either, but I assume maybe you send messages to someone if you hit the @ sign. All right, so this is basically the main screen where you can navigate. So this is where you'll see upcoming events. And it's basically like a chat room. It's an audio chat room where people set up audio chats. They have conversations about different business related topics. And or also there's spiritual topics as well. It's basically whatever topics folks want to create chat rooms about. But it's an audio chat room app is what it is. I'll tap on my bell notifications here. So it'll tell you who's following you, who's created different events, etc., who's in your network. All right, so it just basically shows you all the activity. The calendar, this is how you can see what upcoming events are coming up. And I will show you how to create an event if you're interested in creating an event. And let's go on to and then you have mail. All right, so if someone sends you a message, or you can, I guess this is how you invite folks. So I haven't invited anyone, but these are different folks on my phone. If I want to invite someone, I probably just invite my wife, which I haven't talked to her about this app yet, but that's the only person I invited at this point. And then if you want to add people to follow, it's a really simple app. Then you can scroll here, or else you can search folks to follow. All right. And that is really it. So let's go ahead and start a room. So how do you start a room? Well, it's very obvious. You can click on here, and then you can start a room this way. You can just add a topic and create one on the fly, or else what I think is probably a more effective way to do it, because people will be able to see your events. Like you can see all these events here. They're pre-scheduled, right? There's a videographer chat. There's all these chats going on actively. And then if you click on the calendar, you will see scheduled conversations. So at 5 o'clock, there's this 5 p.m. drive time with single mothers, Clubhouse activity, getting down to basics, the science of first impressions. So these are all just different rooms that people have created. Tech Talk Tuesday, old school text versus new school text, politics unlocked, black sports ancients. So you can see all these folks have created these conversations, these topics around these events around their topics. So if you want to add an event, just tap on the top right here. You put the event name. You can create a co-host, or just it'll be yourself. Put the date, the time, and it'll schedule, and you put a description. It's really easy to do. And then after you do all that, you'll be able to publish it, and then it'll go in the directory accordingly. So I set up my first chat, and I just want to let's just go into a room now as a final. You can see it's a pretty simple app, right? I mean, it's not hard to navigate, but the power of it is in the conversation always. So I'm gonna tap into this group, how to get your first 1,000 on YouTube. This chat's been going on, I want to say, all day, it seems like. Oh, so I can't do that. All right, so I'm not gonna record this because It violates community guidelines. But that's basically how you tap in. There's usually people giving information. There's people asking questions. Very interactive, and it's very powerful. Like if you're an influencer, if you're a person who has an expertise, you can share your expertise and build rapport with folks, right? I mean, there's social media, whether it's video, whether it's audio, multimedia is a really effective way to build rapport with individuals, to build relationships, and this is just another tool in your virtual online toolkit to do so. I think, what do I think about video? I think the video could be a powerful addition to this app, but I'm sure there are bandwidth limitations to using video, which is why folks don't do it. But I think Clubhouse is a great platform. From what I've heard, there's some amazing things coming out of this group. Hopefully, if you haven't gotten your invites, you'll get one soon. And if you have any questions about Clubhouse or any questions in general, please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, leave a comment, and hit the thumbs up if you appreciate this kind of content, because I make videos all the time to help you master video marketing, attract leads and clients, even if you're terrified or just camera shy or afraid to share your voice or speak up. Amani Channel. We'll talk to you soon. Peace.